he like most, but not all the time because of his gout. It's not really good. Yeah, like that. We make at home. Yeah, me only. We make home only and fried chicken. Fried chicken is the Filipino food. Is not only the Filipino. What else? Um, yeah, I think that's it. That's it. I don't know. I forgot some spaghetti. Yeah, there's also a spaghetti. But the Filipino spaghetti is okay na. Going out for dinner tonight with my girlfriend, darling, and buy here a red rose. Oh, wow, so sweet. Fried chicken is worldwide. Yeah, fried chicken is worldwide. It's spaghetti, I think also, but Filipino spaghetti like that. Uh-huh. And okay, and Jeff, yeah, enjoy. Jeff is really sweet. Oh, I like Italian spaghetti. Oh, that's also like also a scat. But yeah, I'm Filipina. I cook is Filipino spaghetti. I like Italian. You don't like sweet spaghetti, yeah. No, I love talking to you, darling. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. You also have to talk to your girlfriend. She's still sleeping right now, Jeff. Uh, if she's still sleeping, that's fine. You can have talk here. No, I love talking Africa. How's your girlfriend? She's still sleeping? Because Mike is her Filipina, his Filipina, I mean, is still sleeping. Jeff. So that's why Mike is woke up na. I think Scott and I we are very similar. Maybe because you talk in the live chat and I didn't notice that you and Scott you're talking, like that. Yeah, he's in upstairs. He's doing his own video. He's sleeping now in bed at the hotel. She's still sleeping. What time you arrive in Cebu? Wow. So what's your breakfast, Jeff? What's your breakfast in hotel in Cebu? What what is her name, Jeffrey? What is her name, Jeffrey? Yeah, he last time he joined Jeffrey in my live. Uh, he said he come to the Philippines in 2 weeks, and now it's happened already. Oh, Tom Harris. Me too again, Jeffrey. Jeffrey Hennes is already here in Cebu. Tom. She do a channel. We can help support. Yeah. Jeff, you can net name. Hit name is Rose. Her name is Rosemary. And then you buy Rose. Okay, Rose. So her name is Rosemary. Rosemary, I think. Rosemary. What? And then you buy her Rose. Okay. That sounds really good, Jeff. Did you buy it na or not? Tom, your what's that? Your meat, your meat, your meat, your mate is already in Cebu na, Tom.